Hello, hello, my dear friend. I missed you very much, and I really want to but together the puzzle with you and our Disney friends and see their adventures. Okay, and I think so. We need easy level. Look, look, friends. Oh, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, now we need right place for this peach puzzle. This. Where is right place? Maybe this? Oh no! I was wrong. Sorry. Okay. Maybe this. Oh! I think so. This is definitely not the right place. Variant number 3. It's not right. And variant number 4. Oh yes, friends, look, it is right place. And now we need peach puzzle number 2. This peach puzzles. Where is place for these peach puzzles? I don't know, but maybe this. No. Now it's right. Maybe this. Oh, sorry. I think so. This. Oh yeah. Look, it's right place. Yes. Peach puzzle number 3. This peach puzzles, and we have more plates. Okay, maybe this. No, friends. It's very no good variant. Yes. Okay, this. No, it's not right. Or this. Yes! Look, friends. Now we have it 3 peach puzzles. Number 1. And number 2, and number 3, and now we need number 4. This. This peach puzzle made this. No, it's not right. And this. No, I was wrong. Ta-da. This. Yes, good friends. Now we have a 4. Peach puzzles with this plates. Yes, cool. And now we need peach puzzles this. Okay, this. No, it's not right. This peach puzzles. I think so. No, but okay. No. Yes, it is not right plates. This peach puzzle. This. Oh yeah, I think so. It's right. Yes, look, friends, it is right place, and that's a beautiful. Okay, this. We need this peach puzzle. This. I think so. Yes. Oh, look, friends. Yes, it is right. It is right. Okay, these peach puzzles. We have 3 peach puzzles. 1, 2, 3. And plates for these 1, 2, 3. And friend, I think so. This peach puzzle for these plates. Oh no, this is definitely not the right place. I'm sorry. are these. Yes, friends. It is a beautiful and it is amazing. Yes. And we have only 2 beach puzzles for this place. Oh yeah. These beach puzzles are this. These are this place. I think so. This. Oh, sorry. This. Yes, look. This is beautiful. And I think so. Just look, friends. This is the right place. Yes.
Every part of this machine plays a part on one big team, working together to get one big job done.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you, my friends. Thank you for your job, for your help for me, and we are friends this day. Yeah. Okay. See you. Bye.